guys, welcome back. I did tell you that I'll show you the damage, so here we go. So first piece of damage is this splitter got absolutely chewed up, and I got one breakage around here. Didn't break all the way, so I should be able to sort that out really. Yeah, and fix it now. There, that's fixed. As you can see guys, all of the mud caked in all of the wrong places. It's hard to get it on camera to be fair, but yes, she is dirty muddy, especially up in behind here. As per usual, we lost the rear bumper. Okay, we'll turn it back on. And the front splitter got a little bit of ding. Not bad, eh? Considering she got hooned up. One thing I am going to do is give her a clean. I'm not going to leave this mud sat like this. I have a little bit of sympathy for this car. I don't want it to rust out. I want to keep it half decent. Go guys and gals, lovely and clean. Only thing I was worried about the entire time is obviously was getting her caked in mud, and I wanted to get all of the mud out of all the problematic places like around here and stuff. And as you can see, I've had my seals done once upon a time. I don't want to have to do them again. Nice and clean, do you know what I mean? Lovely and clean, just in the right places. Arches all good, all the mud's been taken out of it. And she scrubs up well, considering just a minute ago, as you can see, she was absolutely caked. And now look at her. And after looking around it again, the only damage I think I've done is the splitter. Again, dragged it off last time, I'll bought it back up again. Bumper comes off every time. It's a quick release bumper. It's a quick release bumper, okay? But yeah, engine's still running sweet as a nut. Turbo soon. The last parts, I believe, is turning up, so I'm going to start the build very shortly. I think that, in fact, is the last event we're going to do NA. Power steering, hit and miss still. It still does the same getting hot situation. It didn't overflow or boil over or anything like that this time. But I'm going to pass you over to Rob in the house, nice and warm, days later. Yes, Rob, from a couple of days ago. We are in the warmth. It is a couple of days later. Mainly because on this point, so I am about to pop on the screen what I am looking at right now. And guys, I came second, like 2 seconds off of the other KA. I did try. As you've seen how hard I tried. But I'm telling you, the little front wheel drive, lightweight car with enough power and a decent driver is probably the best thing you could possibly use for that. Apart from maybe a super four-wheel drive crazy thing. Even then, I doubt it would give me any advantage. Because you can drive whilst on the handbrake, see, in a front wheel drive car. So you've got to driving, whilst the bracking and the driving happens at the same time. But yeah, guys, anyway, we came second. Well, you remember the fun run? Remember the one I had to keep going and going? I had like, what, 4 goes? Maybe 5 goes? I think it was 4 goes. Well, guys, we won! We did! Hurrah! The little Rosie. Rosie did a thing. But yeah, Ian Mundell did a thing. That Ian Mundell is Dan Mundell's father, I believe. Dan Mundell won the main doodad, and his father came second in the fun run job. It was a hell of a fun day, wasn't it? If you guys want to watch it, you can go back to the other video to see the footage. I do plan next race, we'll have Reese, our camera guy, will be back. He already said that he missed doing it and stuff, but he had stuff himself on. And Jiz is more than likely going to be back for the navigating. So the Burn Rubber team will be back, most likely on a turbo car, maybe. I keep on about this turbo. In fact, when do we start the turbo thing? Because the parts haven't arrived yet. I could start just doing bits and bobs here and there. You let me know. You let me know, guys. And I'll just do a thing. Thank you for watching, guys. Burn Rubber, know your soul.